So guys, I'm home and I'm going to make some Kinder Bueno cookies. So basically I'm going to make them and then I won't tell you the ingredients, I'll just show you what I'm doing and you can see everything what I'm doing. But yeah, I'm going to make some cookies, Kinder Bueno chocolate cookies. I'm excited to do it. Plus I'm going to be watching Simpsons as well, so this is going to be good.
Broken dreams in my pocket, golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, cause you caught it, you caught it. You're golden, golden, honestly you know it. Me under the street like at the so I could show you. You're golden, golden, honestly you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine just so that I could show you. You're golden, yeah, you're golden, you're golden, yeah, you're golden, golden. Lay on the carpet, eye to eye, glistening. No, I saw it, I saw it. You're golden, golden, honestly you know it. Me under the street like at the end, so I could show you. You're golden, golden, honestly you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine just so that I could show you. You're golden, yeah, you're golden, you're golden, yeah, you're golden, golden, you're golden, yeah, you're golden, you know it, yeah, you're glowing, golden, 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 honestly you know it. Me under the street or at the end, so I could show you. Golden, golden, honestly you know it. Me under the golden, yeah, you're golden, you're golden. street like I am so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine just so that I
So I rolled up the balls in, rolled it into balls, and I have to leave them in the oven to chill for about, once they're rolled, at least 30 minutes. So I'm going to put a timer on and then come back when we need to set up. So I've just come out of the freezer and now I'm going to put them in the oven for 12 minutes. So they are in the oven for 12 minutes. I cannot wait to have these. I'm actually watching Simpsons as well, so they'll be in there for 12 minutes because it says around about 12 to 10 to 12 minutes. So once it hits 10 minutes, I'm going to come back and then check them. But at the minute, I am actually really looking forward to trying them, and I'll show you what they want. But they say once baked, carefully push a Kinder Bueno on top of the cookies. So I need to get something to put on here to thingy. I think I have something, yeah. So I have these, so these can rest on here. I've got two. So one can have a tray to itself. So I'm going to put them on here. Put them here. Because then they can rest on here and that'll be about it. So they're going to rest on here because they're off the thing. You don't want to put hot trays directly onto the side because it could mess up your countertop. It could have a ring or something like that. So yeah, I'm just going to put them, come back when they're done. There's my video, so there's that. Kinder Bueno cookies. Why not? You need to call for about 30 minutes. Just like push them in. It says push them in. Which one pushing them in? Oh, really push them in and they're going. So I'll leave these cool for 30 minutes. So guys, we have got the cookies. These are the cookies. And we're going to try them. You ready for it? Cheers. Cheers. They taste really good. Give it focus. Yeah, there you go. It tastes really good. Gone. So, I'm going to put the recipe down below if I'm going to make these. But these are so good. I give them a thumbs up. What do you think? So if you want to see more stuff like this, please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.